In this video, I'll explain how I diagnosed and fixed a P0171 System 2 Lean Bank 1 error code on a vehicle. The customer reported that the check engine light was on. To start, I connected a scan tool and confirmed the P0171 error code. During a road test, I monitored live data and noticed that both the long-term and short-term fuel trim values were outside the specified range, indicating a potential issue with the air-fuel mixture. Next, I performed a thorough inspection of the air intake system, but didn't find any obvious faults. To dig deeper, I connected a smoke machine to the intake manifold to check for leaks. As smoke was induced into the system, I discovered it was escaping through a deteriorated vacuum hose. This confirmed that the vacuum hose was the source of the issue. The solution was to replace the faulty vacuum hose. After completing the repair, I cleared the error codes and performed another road test. The vehicle operated perfectly, the fuel trims were back to normal, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're facing a P0171 error code or suspect an issue with your air intake or vacuum system, this video will help you understand the steps to diagnose and fix the problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.